Dear students, this class we are going to discuss in 9th standard CBSE in motion chapter. So in the motion chapter, let's we discuss about how we can describe the motion with the different situation by the meaning of that difference between distance and displacement concept. So let's we see the video. Please listen. See that in the small motion chapter we have to describe the motion. So by the way of that, one is distance, then another one is displacement. Okay. So actually what is distance? Distance is nothing but actual path covered by the object. Okay. Then displacement is nothing but shortest distance between 2 points. Okay. So now here I mentioned that the different types of position. Okay. So in that different types of position, it is a common example for common diagram for both cases. So I can mention the both cases. So let's we see one by one. So the first here, let's take one straight line. So in the straight line, let us imagine there are different points, that is A, B, C, D and E. Now let us imagine for our convenience each and every gap we consider as 1 meter. So now one person is here. This person will move from first situation. This is first situation. He is moved from A to E. So he is moved from A to E. Then again return back to A to E, then E to B. A to E, then E to B. So again he reached here. So he returned back. Okay. So see that A to E, then E to B. A to E, then E to B. This is the situation. So in this situation, what about distance and displacement? Distance means actual path covered by the object. So first you calculate the distance. So actual path. So what is the actual path? First A to E. So A to E how much meter? 1, 2, 3, 4 meter. So A to E 4 meter. Then E to B. E to B. So here again want to calculate this written. So 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. So 3 meter. So 4 plus 3, that is 7 meter. So the displacement here 7 meter. Sorry, the distance is 7 meter. Then displacement is nothing but shortest distance between 2 points. So here now initially that person is A position. So after travel, now he is in B position. See that first initial point A, final point is B. Okay. So initial distance between shortest between two points. Okay. So shortest distance. So initial position A, final position B. So this gap, that is 1 meter alone. So that is 1 meter alone. So here that displacement is 1 meter. Okay. Then the next case, see that one directly A to D. A to D. Okay. So please listen. A to D. So 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. So totally 3 meter covered. So if you observe here, it is like a straight line. So in the straight line case, he didn't return back. So distance also, displacement also same. So 3 meter is distance, 3 meter is displacement also. Okay, right. Then the next one, see that A to E, again E to A. A to E, then E to A. Okay. So he started with A position, then end with A position. So 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. So totally 4 meter up to E. Then again E to A, again 4 meter. So totally 8 meter, that is the distance. But displacement means, shortest distance between 2 points, especially initial and final points. So initial point also same, final point also, initial point also same, final point also same. So the displacement is 0. Okay, right. So this is different situations example in a straight line path. Likewise, in the circular path, see that here, she's here, she's there. One girl is standing here. She is going to cover the circular path. So the circular path, that radius is taken as R. It is the center of the circular path. So now, see that a different situation. She is moving from A to B. She is moving from A to B. So she is starting here, then end with B. So if you observe that in that first situation, she is covered only the half distance. Okay. So this is like a half circle. So in the circumference of the circle, that half. So we know that here in this situation that the distance is, so full round means 2 pi r, but she covered only the half round. So again divide by 2. So 2 will be cancelled. So that is equal to pi r. So pi r is the distance. Then what about the displacement? See that from, so you know that this is the center. So here one r is there, then here also one more r. So that is like a diameter. So 2r is the displacement, because we know that distance between 2 points, that is initial and the final points, that is shortest distance. So we can say that is 2r is the displacement. Then the last one, A to A. So she starts from A again to reach A. Okay, so she covered one circumference of the circle. So she covered full round. So full round means her distance is, that is 2 pi r. Okay, like that. Next one, A to A, her displacement, initial position also same, final position also same. So that displacement is 0 meter. 0. Okay, okay students. So please recapitulate. It is highly important points about the distance and the displacement. Here the explanation as well as the difference between distance and the displacement. Once again, distance means actual path covered by the object, but displacement means, okay, you should specify some direction, so that is the shortest distance. Okay, so one more thing, the distance is a scalar quantity and the displacement is a vector quantity. Okay, thank you.